Good morning! It's August 9. We have a brown painting event at 2 p.m. So, it's 9 a.m. We need to drop off stuff sa event and run some errands and mag-shoot ng paintings kasi kailangan na din nilang kailangan na ng content since i-deliver na sila tomorrow. Ayan, normal fit muna, shirt and pants. Later na tayo mag-aayos kasi maaga pa. Pa ako makain or what. So, see you later. We'll see how the day goes. 30. Already loaded the car. Already loaded. Nandito na yung flowers. Some of the bayongs. Some of them are with me pa. Sa harap ko lang lalagay kasi hindi kasya. Hello guys. It's 11:25. Tingnan nyo naman yung sitwasyon ko. Nakabili na tayo ng tela. Ayan. And then, anong tawag dun? Yung mga nag-a-add pa ng slot. Nagtitake pa ng slot. So, di ko alam kung enough tong binili kong tela. Pero, I'll guess, i-add ko na lang sila sa tables na existing na. So, nandito kami sa Victory. Iniwan ako ng mga tao. Kasi nahulog yung isa nahulog yung cellphone sa kanal. So, tinatry kunin yung cellphone sa kanal. Ewan ko sana makuha niya. Sorry. Baka karamahin na huwag naman sana, Lord. Sorry. Anyway. Anyway, I'm just here. Waiting. Sana makuha nila to. Matcha na lang. I have my matcha with me. Ang cute nung pink wala ko. At may matcha stains ako. Somewhere over here. Kasi, kailangan ko ng matcha today. Kasi ako pwede magkape. Alam akong kakabahan. Gagawa na siguro ako ng script ko ng sasabihin ko mamaya. Pero sana makuha na nga nila. So, we can go. At sana mabango yung cellphone niya. Nakabili na rin ako ng thumbtacks. So, the only thing that we need to do is mag-drop off ng stuff. Actually, pick upin yung printed guide and mag-drop off ng stuff. Yun lang. And then, uwi na kami mag-aayos. Yay! Meron pa dun, di ba?
Ano pa ba?
Hello, people. Hi, Popo!
Ito ba yung papera mo yung ito?
Oo. Ready na sila, I think. Scarf from Gawandiwa.
Hi! I miss you.
Pants from Shopee. Was Shopee.
Nasira sa akin yan. Babad na ako dito. Baka pwede naman. Pwede mo naman. Tawa na ka.
Nabe-pressure daw siya. Hi.
Test mo nga, test. Test mo nga. Wala pa.
Good journey together. Today we'll be painting on a bayong bag. Since it's August, it's Buwan ng Wika, our national language month ng Philippines. But instead of the leaves na material ng bayong, we're using a modern material which is plastic. Very durable and better to paint on.
Alam mo yung
Okay na. All packed up. Nakapag-ligpit na rin ang boys outside. First meal of the day. Magte-tennis kami. at 9 p.m.